Hi, I hope you've had a good day so far. We're going to do some decimal subtraction and let's get going then. Alrighty, so we've got number one. Where's that? Okay, 0.4 take away 0.1. Okay, 0.4 take away 0.1. So 4/10 take away 1/10 is 3/10. And because they're both in the same columns, then you can use them numerically as you would as counting numbers, as in 4 take away 1 is 3, 4 take away 1 is 3, but it's in that column, so we just have to show that it's in that column. Okay, number two. We have 0.6 take away 0.06. Right, let's show it. Take away 0.06. Okay, well, what's here? Remember I said before that any spaces you can just pop a 0 because there is no digit there. And then you do it as normal subtraction. So we can't do 0 take away 6. We can't start with, I don't know, no oranges in a room on a table, and then we take 6 away. We can't take 6 away from none there to altogether. Now, we see these columns as discrete columns, separate columns. You could see it 60 take away 6, which is 54. Let's set this up. So we have 0 take away 6. We need a digit there to help us to make the number at the top bigger. So cross it out, turn it into a 5 and carry the 1. 10 take away 6 is 4. 5 take away 0 is 5. And then we can't leave that there because that means 54. It means 5 tens and 4 ones, but this is 5 tenths and 4 hundredths. And that number is smaller than 1. So we need to show the decimal point and the 0. It's part of a whole, not quite a whole. It's almost half of a whole. Okay, so number 3 is 0.1 take away 0.01. Okay. 0.1 take away 0.01. Put the decimal point in. We don't have a digit there at all. So I'm going to put a 0 there as a placeholder to show what actually is there, and I'm going to move things around now. Because I've got a 1 at the bottom, I need to use something at the top to take it away. So cross the 1, turn it into a 0 and carry 1. And now we've got 10 take away 1, which is 9. 0 take away 0, which is 0. And we need to put these in because if we don't put those zeros in, it doesn't show where the 9 sits. And to be able to explain what the 9 means, we need placeholders, and the zeros are placeholders to show where that 9 is. That's the reason for them being there. Okay, number 4. 2, 3, 1 take away 0.4. Okay, so we've got 1 take away 0.4. Because that's quite uncomfortable to look at, I'm going to balance it by putting the decimal point, albeit badly, there. Okay, 0 take away 4. No, I need to go next door, turn it into a 0 and carry the 1 over, and now we've got 10. So 10 take away 4 is 6. And 0 take away 0 is 0, so the answer is 0.6, and we can see that 6 plus 4 equals 10, so 0.4 plus 0.6 is 1. Okay, I'm going to go down on number 5. And that's 2 take away 0.09. Okay. Okay. We haven't got any digits at the top, so we need to go to the 2, cross it out and turn it into a 1. Now the 1 I carry down will be equal to 10 tenths. And then I cross that out, turn it into a 9 and carry 1 down. Now we've got 10 take away 9 is 1, 9 take away 0 is 9, 1 take away 0 is 1. So that's equal to 1.91. So we've got 20.5 take away 1.99. Okay, so we've got 20.5 take away 1.99. Okay, we need a placeholder here. We've got 0 there, so we need to go next door, cross out the 5, turn it into a 4, carry 1. 10 take away 9 is 1. 4 take away 9 we can't do, so we go next door, but there's a 0. So we need to go next door to that. Cross out the 2, turn it into a 1, carry 1 next door. Cross it out, turn it into a 9, carry 1. 14 take away 9 is 5. 9 take away 1 is 8 and 1. So the answer is 18.51. Okay. Let's go for pink. All right. So we've got £100. Take away 28 pence. It's a bit confusing because they're in pounds and pence. £100 and no pence. Take away 28 pence. Let's put our decimal point in and our 0. Keep the decimal points in line. Go to the 1. Cross out the 1, turn it into a 0 and carry it down. Now that's a 10. We're going to take 1 away from it, turn it into a 9 and put the 1. And you need to do this all the way down until you've got a number that you can work with. So now we've got 10 take away 8, which is 2. And we've got 9 take away 2, which is 7. 9 take away 0. 9 take away, and there isn't anything there. So we've got £99 and 72 pence. Where are we? Yeah. So we're on number 8 now. Okay. £59. Take away £7.98. Okay. Oh, £59 take away £7.98 plus 22 pence. £59 is 59.00 because we haven't got any pence. We've got 3 things, so let's put the decimal points in line. But I've got take away and then add. All right, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm just going to do take away for now. Take away £7.98. And we go up to the 9, turn it into an 8, take it next door. Cross out the 10, turn it into a 9, take it next door. 10 take away 8 is 2. 9 take away 9 is 0. 8 take away 7 is 1. So we've got £51.02. Now I'm just going to rub this bit out. And now I'm going to add my 22 pence. I'll put a 0 there. And 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5. So we've got the answer to be £51 and 24 pence. Yeah. So we're on number 9. Okay. We are right. 520.5. Take away 19 plus 76.4. I'm going to read that out again, see if I've got it right. 520.5, yes. Take away 19, yes. Plus 76.4, yes. So the first thing I'm going to do is do my takeaway 19. Okay, so 5, oh, I'm going to put a 0.0 there because it's a bit uncomfortable like that. 5 take away 0 is 5. 0 take away 9. I've got to go next door, turn the 2 into a 1, carry the 1. 10 take away 9 is 1. 1 take away 1 is 0. And 5, and there's nothing there. So 5 take away pretend 0 or take away 0, because I could put 0 there. That would be fine, is 5. So I'm going to add 76.4 to that. And 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. 5 plus, okay, it's 577.9. So I wonder what could help. I suppose you could sort of, like I've done there, tick it as you go along maybe. If it's a 3-part question, you could sort of, you could say that's part 1. And then that and that would be part 2, wouldn't it? So whatever the answer is to that, you'd put it with that. So it's making it clear to yourself so that you've got some sort of system that works for you, I suppose. Okay, right, last one. We have £1.77. Take away 17 pence. Plus £74. Okay. So we've got £1.77, take away 17 pence. I'm going to put that clearly into that place. Carry the decimal point down. 7 take away 7 is 0. 7 take away 1 is 6. 1 take away 0 is 1. Now I've got £1.60. So I'm going to put the £1.60 up here. And I'm going to add to it the 70, excuse me, £4 and put my pounds and pence. That's a bit too close, isn't it, that? Let's put it out the way a little bit. And I don't like how I've put those two together a little bit too close. I'm just going to give it a bit more space. And then 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 7. So I think my answer is £75 and 60 pence. Yay! Let's just grab me and I can say a quick goodbye. So I hope that makes sense to you. And yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Honest. You've got this. All right. So have a good rest of the day and I'll speak to you again soon. Take care. Bye.